Hi, this is Rakesh Roy and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to install Windows 10 step by step. For that, you need a bootable pen drive or a bootable DVD. Boot the desktop or laptop using that pen drive or DVD. Once this window pop up, please enter any key. It will start the installation. It will take some time here, then it will start. I'm using a VMware machine for this installation. You can perform this task on your actual machine. Once this window pop up, you can select a few things or else you can click on next. Now click on install. It will take some time here. Now click on accept. Now next. You can upgrade the windows or you can customize it. It's a fresh installation, so I'll click on new and I will create a C drive for the operating system here, and next I will create a second drive for my PC. I will use the all available space. Now I will select the C drive and click on next. It will start the installation. It will take time, depend on your machine speed, so wait. Maybe it will take 15 to 20 minutes. Once complete, it will give some more options to us. Now it will restart the machine. Several times your machine will restart while in between this installation. So now the machine is restarting. Okay, it is taking some time. Now we will click on Express setting. You can read it. Now next it will show a username. We need to set a username for the user and we will set a password. Click on next. It will take some time here. Almost done. Now it is completed. Installation is completed. Now we can use the machine. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.